As far back as 1833, there were already plans for bringing a railway line across this river, decades before any bridge was built. This is the Barrow Railway Bridge in Wexford, Ireland, and the longest in the country. Proposals existed to bridge the River Barrow between Great Island in County Wexford and Bellevue on the County Kilkenny side. By 1864, serious railway schemes were being discussed. One option would have sent trains to Passage East, with passengers ferried across instead of building a fixed crossing. They chose something permanent instead. At the start of the 20th century, the decision was made to build a railway bridge that would properly link the Waterford and Rosslare line. Construction began in 1902. The bridge was designed by Sir Benjamin Baker and built by Sir William Arrol Co. Steel trusses made from concrete-filled cast-iron cylinders were carefully anchored to the river foundations. The finished structure stretched about 650 meters across the River Barrow. 11 main spans of roughly 45 meters and end spans of 44. Near the Kilkenny side, you can see a 65-meter opening span to allow ships to pass upstream towards New Ross. Clearance above spring high water was only about 7.5 meters, so the opening section was essential. Rail and river had to work together. On the 21st of July, 1906, the bridge officially opened. Trains began crossing regularly. Passengers, freight and mail were transported, linking the southeast for decades. The surrounding landscape continued to change. In 1963, construction began on Great Island Power Station beside the bridge. In the early 1990s, development of Bellevue Port accelerated across the river. Phase 1 of the modern port opened in 1993. This saw increasing commercial traffic and maintaining the importance of river navigation. Ships still needed access upstream. The bridge's opening span was still needed. In 2010, the Rosslare-Waterford railway line closed. The bridge, built for movement, became still. The train stopped but the structure remained. In 2022, a ship strike caused damage to the bridge. To maintain river navigation, it was pinned in the open position. Around 650 meters of deliberate engineering. Steel, concrete, tide and time. 120 years old. Still here and still standing.